The color of the frame is black. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are also green. These glasses are a round shape. Its temples are also black. On its temple tip, you'll find the Persol logo engraved. The lenses are also 100% UV protection and tempered glass. And you'll find the Persol logo on its top right lens, engraved as well. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Persol logo, that it's handmade in Italy. And on its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 50 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Persol gift box, a Persol hard case, a brown Persol cleaning cloth, a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica, and a Persol booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com, and have a joyful day.